Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get 9 ways to make $100 per day for free without a credit card. These methods are going to help you to make extra money and just be able to make ends meet better. Make sure you stick around until the end because all of these methods work and you can combine them and you never know which one's going to be exactly what you're looking for. So with that being said, go ahead and jump over to my computer and get started right now. Okay, the first thing I want to tell you about is VideoChatNetwork.net. This is a website that you can go to get paid for consumer insights on a video chat. You can get paid up to $100 per hour. Let's go ahead and take a look at the website here. You can just go here and click on About Us, but essentially you are the consumer telling businesses your insights on different products and services. And in order to sign up, you just click on the right-hand upper corner here where it says sign up, and there'll be a short video you can watch, and then all you do is put in your information here. It's completely free to sign up, but again, on average you'll get $100 per video chat, similar to what you would get paid in a focus group, and then you're just going to tell people your thoughts on different topics, products, and brands. And they do have a mobile app, so it's easier for you to sign up for these chat opportunities. And then the companies are just going to use that information to be able to develop their services and market and advertise easier. And all you need is an internet connection, a mobile device, or a computer with a webcam. And once you sign up, then you can see if you qualify for some of the chat opportunities. Okay, the next thing I wanted to tell you about is Cambly.com. Now, if you just go to Cambly.com, you'll see that there's no experience or teaching certificate needed. You can get paid $10.20 per hour and get paid every Monday via PayPal. But if you just go to Cambly.com, this is for people who want to learn English. But we want to go to this URL right here. I will leave this in the description below, because if you just go to Cambly.com, it's kind of hard to find out how you sign up to become a tutor. But again, you don't need any experience, and you're just basically helping people learn English all over the world. And you're just chatting with them, because that's the best way to learn, is you're chatting back and forth. And again, you can get paid $10.20 an hour or 17 cents a minute. So you just get paid for every minute that you spend chatting, and 20 cents a minute or $12 an hour on Cambly Kids. And it is via PayPal every Monday. So you set your own schedule and you can tutor any time of the day based on your schedule, work as little or as much as you want, no minimum hours. Really great if you just want to pick up a few hours here and there. And so you're essentially helping people all over the world learn English on these one-on-one lessons. So it's all kinds of people. You may talk to students, professionals, anybody who just wants to learn English. So this is a great site where you can make some extra money. Before we get into number 3, if you're enjoying this information and you haven't already subscribed, I invite you to do that and click the bell icon that we can be notified when I upload new videos. And we can hang out more and talk about affiliate marketing, YouTube marketing, and money manifestation. Okay, number 3 is similar to number 1. It's called focusgroups.org, and you again get paid for consumer insights. Anywhere from $75 to $400 is the most that I saw on this website. So it's completely free to sign up. And if you click up here, you can see the different cities that it's offered in. Just in the United States. Unfortunately, if you live outside of the US, this is just in the US. I'm going to click on Las Vegas. That's where I live, and you can see all the different focus groups in your area. I did see one that paid $400 if you're an eye care professional. That was the highest paying one that I saw. But there's other ones like luxury cars, if you happen to own a luxury car. So you can just scroll through. I think there's probably quite a few that you could qualify for and sign up for, and then they will contact you if you do get approved. Or is Tradesy.com, and this is where you can sell your clothing online. So let's take a look here. They do have frequently asked questions here. You can scroll through, but it's similar to eBay in that you're just going to take a picture of whatever it is that you want to sell, set your price, and then confirm your sale and ship once it is purchased. But they do pay you with PayPal, debit card, or your checking account. And then you just, it's a buy and sell marketplace. makes it different because it is made by women for women. And then they tell you, like, if you do get returns, how you would do that. But I would say if you know someone who has a closet full of clothing that they don't wear, and maybe you probably know people who have tags still on their clothing and they haven't even worn them, I would offer to clean out their closet for them, organize their closet, and sell their clothes on Tradesy, and you can keep a certain percentage of it. It could even turn into a business for you, that you go in and help people to organize their closets and sell their clothing for them, because it just takes time, and people, I'm sure, would want you to do that for them. Maybe you don't even have to charge them anything to come in and do that, but what you do is you keep 2% profit on whatever it is that they sell. So definitely take a look at Tradesy. It's a really unique website that you can make some good money selling clothes. Number 5 is pros.com. You can get paid to translate documents if you do know other languages besides English. If we go here, you can see you can sign up either to be a freelancer or if you're a business that needs translation done. Now, it is free to sign up and just try it, and that will connect you with businesses who do need translation. But if you want to go on after that, it is about $9 per month, and you can check out what the different members' benefits are, but they're going to help you to find clients, get quotes on jobs, and do some training. So if you do know another language, this is definitely a website that you can check out to make some extra money. Number 6 is FlexJobs.com, and this is going to help you find virtual jobs because pretty much everybody wants to work from home these days. So if we go in here, you can search your location. You can see that I put in Las Vegas, and also just whatever type of job you want, if full-time, part-time, writing, computer, editing, things like that. And you can see this technical writer remote job came up, and then you can apply for this. Now, some of them may require that you have some sort of education, but this is a really great website to find jobs in your area that are remote and that you may qualify for. So next thing I wanted to mention to you is if you can become a proofreader if you're good with English. And some people are making $43,000 per year part-time doing this. And so you can make anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000 per month, or about $17 per hour. And if we go to Fiverr.com, could be a place that you could advertise your services, and you can see people that are already doing proofreading here. If we look at this person's profile, she's had quite a few orders here, 56 at least, that left reviews for her. And if she just does her basic, she gets paid $100 for looking at 2,000 words, and she's looking for typos, grammar, and spelling mistakes. So again, if you're good with English, this is an option for you. That's probably wouldn't take too long to go through 2,000 words. And then she does have some other things where she does edit, and that is $200, and then she does have a premium for $1,000. So you can advertise your service on Fiverr, or you can go to Upwork.com and advertise your services there as well. The next thing you might think about if you're good with bookkeeping is becoming a virtual bookkeeper. You can get paid $17 an hour starting out. And if you go to Fiverr.com, you can see there's definitely a need for bookkeeping with as many businesses as there are out there. And you can see that people have gigs on Fiverr for bookkeeping. This person right here, for 100 transactions or less, they charge $100 all the way up to $200. So if you do know something about bookkeeping, this is a great place that you could advertise your services. And again, Upwork is another place as well. And then the last thing I wanted to mention to you is you could become a virtual assistant, earn anywhere from $25 to $100 per hour. This is a great work from home job. You'd be helping businesses manage their email, content creation, social media management, and maybe doing some bookkeeping. But there's a lot of businesses out there that need virtual assistants because they cannot do everything themselves, and you can do that on Fiverr here as well. If you just go in and type in virtual assistant. Sometimes people want to hire for just a small job, but you can see there's a lot of people doing this on Fiverr, and it's not a difficult thing to do. It's just time consuming. and you can advertise your services on Fiverr as well as Upwork. So I hope you guys can use this and go out there and make some really good money and make your life better. If you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. 5 more ways to make $100 per day for free without a credit card. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now. Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll learn 5 free ways to make money with no money. You don't need a credit card, you don't need any experience, and it works perfectly if you're completely broke.